Hey everyone, we just made it to our hotel in New Hampshire and we're about to go eat dinner and we'll update you guys more tomorrow. This is the view from the main entrance, I guess. Oops. So right now we are walking on the porch just to do some hotel exploring, and yeah. This is the view from one of the porches that we're on right now. So we just made it to the outside deck, and this is the hotel that we're staying at. And then this is our view right now. So now we're sitting in these little chairs. Nate's over there. And we're in this princess room. But yeah, that's it for right now, I think. We're about to go eat dinner, and then I don't know what we're doing after.
We got 3 short ribs.
Yes.
3 short. You sold us. There you go.
So right now we are flying the drone, and it's right there.